welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy omelette. Let's say it's an omelette. We make it with potatoes. So I'm going to use 2 potatoes, 2 eggs and 1 carrot. So let's do this. So first I'm going to start by peeling the potatoes, like removing the outer skin. So this is what I use to peel my potatoes. So you just make sure you remove all the outer skin and these dots. So you make sure you look for the inner part of the potato. Then you make sure you peel your carrot also, like you remove this outer skin, just like this. You can always use a knife if you have a knife. If you don't have this, you just remove the outer skin with a knife. I guess that can work also. So I'm just gonna run through like this real quick and remove it. So done. So guys, I'm gonna take this bowl, and inside this bowl I'm gonna just grate this carrot, the carrot that I just peeled. So I'm just gonna grate it real quick. So as well, I'm gonna grate the potatoes, the 2 potatoes that I just peeled inside the carrot that I've already grated. So guys, watch out the process. Okay guys, so this is the mixture of carrot and the potatoes all grated together. So I'm gonna go in with the 2 eggs, just like that. 2 eggs, just like that. And then therefore I go in with thyme, just a little bit of thyme. Then I go in with the black pepper, a pinch of black pepper. This is a simple recipe that you just make with the available things that you have. Then I'm gonna go in with salt to taste. This one, salt to taste. Then I'm gonna go in with 2 spoons of this flour, like 2 tablespoons of flour. Yeah, then I'm gonna mix together. Stove. I've just lit the stove guys, and I'm gonna go in with my olive oil. So you put some olive oil on the cooking pan. So just therefore I go in with this mixture, and then I spread it. Spread it on the cooking pan. Make sure it's well spread and balanced. Then you cover for some few minutes. And this is our final product. Look how it looks like. It's so sweet and delicious and smells very nice. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.